What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. I know I haven't been on for a while. Please forgive me. But anyway, I've been busy. I've been very busy. Just became a career employee at work. So now I have more time in my hands and create more videos and try to do more with my videos when it comes to editing. I can put a little bit more effort into it. Been busy with work. Also, what else? Also, I've been doing a lot of freelancing with my graphic design. So yes, I'm a freelance graphic designer. That's my other side hustle. I got another side hustle. So I've been busy with that, trying to get some more money, and that's how I was able to afford this new camera, as you all can see. I know y'all can tell I'm shooting right now at 4K, so y'all got a clear, crisp video quality, and I just want to give y'all the best that I can, the best production that I can for my videos, and I'm gonna try to do my best as always and trying to give y'all the best edits and the best visuals and something to keep y'all locked in and watching my videos. So yeah, I've been busting my butt, so I bought this new camera to treat myself. And, you know, to give y'all something a little bit more to look at as well, because I know y'all, you know, it was kind of fuzzy in my other videos, but now it's gonna be a little bit more clear and crisp. But anyway, been busy with that. And I got some stuff coming up in November that I'm gonna be treating y'all with. No, it's not merch, but it is clothing. So some of y'all know about it, some of y'all may not know about it. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be something special. I'm not a merch guy. I never wanted to do merch, but I have had clothing brands in the past, so I'm finna bring something back and rebrand. I'll just leave it at that. And yeah, just been busy with those three things: work, freelancing, and working on my new rebranded brand. So y'all stay tuned for those three, well, with that for my clothing brand. Today we got a human made video. Oh, first, like, comment, subscribe down below if you haven't done it already, especially if you're new. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I know I've been gone, just please hit me that like, hit that like button, let me know that you hit it. And comment down below. I hit that like button, man. I hit that like button. But anyway, we got a human made video. I got a couple unboxings. I got 5 tees and a couple, two accessories. I got a belt and the ice cream cone door stopper. But anyway, there's enough talking for to get right into the video. Let's get it. So for the first item that I have right here would be the human made belt. I got it backwards. So I got this human made belt. This says Gears for Futuristic Teenagers on it. It's a navy blue belt. I didn't want the khaki one, I just wanted a dark colored belt, so I'm glad that they dropped the navy blue one. Also on the belt buckle, look at that. Ooh wee. Yes sir, oh my God, I'm glad I bought this camera. So this says human made with the human made heart on the belt buckle of the belt, I guess. So yeah, that's this one of the items that I copped. And also this ice cream cone door stopper. And I got the chocolate and vanilla. I have the vanilla right here on the coffee table. So you had to get this one to match the other. So I had to copy it. Don't you call these Napoleons? Like vanilla and chocolate would be a Napoleon, I think. I may be wrong, but anyway, they got that. So next we're gonna get into this tea. The hell you meowing for? The moon or whatever, just meowing for no reason. But I got this tea right here. Kind of dark. Hold on, it's kind of dark. But anyway, I got this tee right here, just a human made duck with the overalls on it. I thought it was pretty funny with the hearts like on the left side. And it just says Gears for Futuristic Teenagers on the strip right here. So this is gonna be a shirt that I'm pretty sure I know I'm gonna resell. So if y'all wanna buy, let me know. Don't try to lowball me, I ain't paying anything up on the retail. So give me a deal and I'll give you a deal. So next tee would be, let's see which one. I'm gonna go with this one. All right, so this tee right here, another duck tee. I'm keeping this one and over the other one, so I'm not gonna resell this tee. So this is a little bit more simplified and not too heavy, like graphic heavy and weighty, if that makes sense. So it just says human made and Storm Cowboy at the top with the duck on the front up under it. And yes, I'm keeping this one. So dope tee, they're gonna stay in the rotation. I may not change my mind on it, who knows, I'll probably resell it knowing my ass, it'll be up on my GRAILED site. But we're gonna get to the next, what's that? Okay, so we're gonna get to the next tee, would be the human made Patagonia tee. Decided to get this one. I'm not gonna keep it, I was just sitting and just looking at it for a while. I'm like, am I really gonna keep this? So I'm not gonna keep it, I'm gonna resell this as well. Again, hit me up if you want it. I got you. Next, we got another human made tee, just with the capital H on the front. It just says human made inside the H. And on the back side, it just says human made normally. So this is gonna be a keeper. I'm keeping all these black tees. I got enough white human made tees. I have plenty of those. When I say plenty, I have plenty of fucking white human made t-shirts, and I'm probably I'm probably 1/3 of selling my human made tees, like the ones that I'm not keeping. When I flip these tees, I'm gonna use them to buy more. I'm gonna use them to buy things that I actually gonna keep. So when I flip these and resell them, I'm selling it for other shit so that I wanna get so I can save up for it. So I got this tee as well. It's a long sleeve human made tee with the bulldog on the front. I think the duck one, the black duck tee upstairs, like long sleeve like this. It just says human made in the front, up under the bulldog, and it says dry alls up under human made. And on the back, you got human made heart. And on the sleeves, you got gear. You got the gears for futuristic teenagers on the sleeves as such. And I really do like these long sleeve. They're not made out of the same, I guess, cotton material, because it just feel like a normal, like cotton, like t-shirt you would wear compared to like the regular human made tees. So I think the long sleeve tees are made from like a regular blank company. Yeah, I think that is it. That's it. Yep, that is all. I hope y'all enjoyed. I know there was a fast video. I'm sorry that I sped through all of that. But oh yeah, also for the winners for the human made towels, I'll put y'all names somewhere on the screen. Congratulations, y'all have won those towels. DM me on IG and I'll send those out to y'all ASAP. Do that, I'll get with y'all as quickly as possible and get those sent out as quickly as possible. I think that will be it. But anyway, that's it. I will catch y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe down below again. I'm out, peace.